If you have a CIBC Visa card and you're not sure how to make a payment using the CIBC mobile app, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to pay your credit card bill, choose the payment amount, and even set up recurring payments if you want to automate the process. Let's get started. First, open the CIBC mobile banking app on your phone and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive on the home screen. Here, you'll see a list of your accounts, such as your checking account, savings account, and any credit cards connected to your profile. Find the Visa credit card account that you want to make a payment toward. Once you've located it, look for the Pay Card button and tap on it. This will take you to the Transfer Funds screen, where you'll set up the payment. At the top of the screen, you'll see a field where you can enter the amount you want to pay. CIBC makes this easy by showing options such as your amount due, minimum payment, and current balance. If you want to pay one of those amounts, simply tap it, and the app will automatically fill in the payment amount for you. A quick note here: paying only the minimum amount keeps your account in good standing, but paying the full balance helps you avoid interest charges on most purchases. Next, you'll need to choose the account the money is coming from. Under From Account, select the account that will fund the payment. In most cases, this will be your checking account. Under To Account, the credit card you're paying is usually selected automatically. If it isn't, simply tap the field and choose the correct Visa card manually. You'll also see a date option. This lets you choose when the payment should be processed. If you want the payment to go through today, leave the current date selected. If you'd rather schedule it for a future date, you can change it here. Below that, you'll find the How Often option. This allows you to set up recurring payments. For example, you can schedule payments to occur weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or on another schedule depending on your needs. This can be useful if you prefer automating your credit card payments and don't want to remember to make them manually each month. Before continuing, take a moment to review all the information on the screen. Double-check the payment amount, the account the money is coming from, and the credit card you're paying. Once everything looks correct, tap Next. After the payment has been processed, you'll see a confirmation screen showing that your payment has been successfully scheduled or completed. And that's it. You've successfully paid your Visa bill using the CIBC app. Keep in mind that credit card payments may not always appear instantly on your card balance, so don't be concerned if it takes some time for the payment to fully post. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials that help you get the most out of your apps, banking tools, and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.